Hello, and welcome to your UniSA online course, Construction Cost Planning. And in week 7, we'll discuss functional analysis and cost planning. If you recall, in the second week of the course, we discussed some different techniques that are available to a cost planner based on using an alternative to the standard AIQS elemental method. Functional cost planning, or what is also referred to as functional analysis, is one such method and is essentially a budgeting tool that works on the identification of the functional areas from the brief and costs these using rates developed from previous functional cost analysis. Architectural briefs normally set out the basic accommodation areas required for the various activities within buildings. And by clearly defining the various space requirements of a building and the costs of those spaces, it provides greater flexibility and accuracy to cost budget procedures and identifies those functional areas of different quality and thereby cost. So the resultant system provides a basis for rapid estimates over a wide range of capital works requirements through the application of functional costs to the client's accommodation requirements. The functional cost planning system is predicated on having reliable cost information in a format that matches the functional spaces or functional units, i.e. for a hospital project, the cost per bed or $ per metre squared cost of individual functional spaces such as operating theatres, waiting rooms, etc. In many cases, when using this method, as the architectural brief may only include the functional space requirements, it's therefore necessary to determine and apply an accurate percentage allowance called grossing factor in order to calculate the necessary allowances for circulation, travel and engineering areas, which when added to the basic accommodation areas gives the gross floor area of the project to which a total estimated cost can be calculated. So at the end of this week, students, after undertaking the learning tasks and activities, should be able to understand the application of the functional area method of cost budgeting for a building, explain the use of functional unit costs for a variety of projects, analyze a typical functional brief for a building and examine the concept of circulation and travel space provisions, and develop a preliminary construction budget for a project based on functional areas and rates. I hope you enjoy your learning activities this week.